Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about some curtain holdbacks. Curtain holdbacks are a great way to add style and functionality to your curtains. They can help to keep your curtains open and out of the way, and they can also add a touch of elegance to your decor. What are curtain holdbacks? Curtain holdbacks are decorative pieces that are used to hold curtain opens. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes and materials, and they can be made from a variety of different things such as wood, metal, plastic or fabric. Why you use curtain holdbacks? There are a few reasons why you might want to use curtain holdbacks. First, they can help to keep your curtains open and out of the ways. This can be helpful if you have a lot of natural light coming in through your windows, or if you want to make sure that your curtains don't block the view from your windows. Second, curtain holdbacks can add a touch of style to your decor. There are many different styles of curtain holdbacks available, so you can find one that matches the look of your home. Third, curtain holdbacks can be functional. For example, if you have a child or pet, you might want to use curtain holdbacks to keep the curtains closed when you are not using them. This can help to prevent accidents. How to choose curtain holdbacks? When choosing curtain holdbacks, there are few things you will need to consider. First, you will need to decide what style of curtain holdback you want. There are many different styles available, so you can find one that matches the look of your home. Second, you will need to decide what material you want your curtain holdbacks to be made from. Curtain holdbacks can be made from a variety of materials, so you can choose one that matches the decor of your room. Third, you will need to decide what size curtain holdbacks you need. Curtain holdbacks come in a variety of sizes, and you will need to choose one that is the right size for your curtains. How to install curtain holdbacks? Installing curtain holdbacks is relatively easy process. You will need to drill two holes in the wall where you want to install the holdbacks. Once the holes are drilled, you can screw the holdbacks into place. Care and maintenance. Curtain holdbacks are relatively low maintenance. You can also wipe them down with a damp cloth to clean them. If the holdbacks are made from a material that can be damaged by water, you can use a dry cloth to clean them. Curtain holdbacks are a great way to add style and functionality to your curtains. They can help to keep your curtains open and out of the way, and they can also add a touch of elegance to your decor. If you're looking for a way to improve the look of your curtains, I encourage you to consider using curtain holdbacks. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.